welcome to another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this month we are doing a Jaws-inspired look with the anniversary of Jaws happening in June and then Shark Week happening this past month. Sharks have been on my mind, so I just had to give this look a try. And, sharks a little bit of appreciation as well. Let's get started. We're starting off, as per usual, with my foundation, concealer, powder, and brows already on. Next, you'll apply a bright blue eyeshadow all over each lid and lower lash line, dragging it out randomly on the edges to simulate waves. Apply the color generously all throughout the shape. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Metamorphosis. To add some dimension to the eye, I'm now adding an aqua color, such as Urban Decay's Heads Will Roll, randomly throughout the blue I placed on my eyes before, and then blending it. Taking a small detail brush, line your top and bottom lash lines with a navy blue shadow, like Urban Decay's Bandersnatch. Next, I'm adding an iridescent blue highlighter to the blue eyeshadow, as well as my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, and Cupid's bow. I'm also contouring my cheeks and nose with a nice peachy bronzer and a fluffy brush. Now for the Jaws part. Taking a small detail brush and a bright red liquid lipstick such as NYX's Kitten Heels, draw the eyeliner on your right eye to look like blood. Using the fine tip of the brush, stipple around your eye randomly to simulate a blood spatter. Using a stipple sponge and an alcohol-activated red paint, stipple even more around your eye, but not too close. Alcohol paints right up to the eye are dangerous. apply your lipstick and mascara. Moving on to the chest, you'll want to mark out Jaws' head shape with eyeliner. Any kind will do, just as long as it gets the job done. Around that outline, fill in the rest of your chest with a water-based blue paint. Here I'm using Mehron's Paradise paint. I stopped about halfway up the neck and left the shape of my strokes random to simulate the water yet again. Add various colors of blue eyeshadow into the mix until you get your desired shade of blue. I also added some of the iridescent blue on top to give it some extra shine. Next, you'll add some white alcohol activated paints to the shark's head. Now you'll shade in the top of Jaws' mouth with a gray eyeshadow. Add his eyes and mouth using a fine detail brush and some alcohol activated black paint. Don't forget to outline him as well, where you placed your eyeliner before. Using a white cream paint and a small brush, draw his teeth and add a small highlight to the eyes. looking shark. Get it? Like sharp. Never mind. Well, here you have it. Here is our finished look. Looking pretty killer, if you ask me. Thank you so much for tuning in as always, and I will see you guys next month. Bye.